Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby. Hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to.
Take my mind, sent to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now. Let your edge out. Pour some ice, but you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me one out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I should have given from losing yesterday.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mpumi, and if you've been here, welcome back. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe, because anyways, today this is episode 2 of my Vlogmas. So today we are doing a maintenance vlog. So I just threw this wig on because my hair is a mess, and now it's not ironed, so do not mind it. I'll look proper tomorrow. So today I'm just getting my lashes and my nails done, and you guys are coming with me. Anyways, just a quick yep session. So the other day I went to take content, and my mom was my photographer, and guys, when I tell you it did not go well, I was actually filming, but you guys are never gonna see those pictures of that vlog because everything was a flop. Those pictures did not come out nice because she's a terrible photographer, but I didn't tell her that because I didn't want her to feel bad. Marana Kona, I hope she doesn't watch this vlog. I'll see you guys. Bye. You guys can't see what I'm wearing. I'm trying to show you outfit of the day, but this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this top. I'm wearing jeans, and they have a tie watered at the back because I have a problem of things, of jeans not fitting me guys on the waist. Yeah, that's the outfit of the day. And then I'll show you guys when I'm done.
Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Only thing that's saving.
Hi guys, so today is the Friday and I did my nails. I just did plain white because I hate the shape. The lady that did my nails, I shame on borile, and then my lashes are done, and my toenails are done. They also suck, but anyways, this is what they look like. And then now I think I need to go and install my wig because my hair is not done, as you can see. I was supposed to be doing my hair today, but then the lady that usually does my hair is so full, guys. Yo no. And then there was plan B, which was this other guy this other guy who does nice braids and stuff, sharp. So I booked late. Obviously I booked today, and then my head is big. I have a small head, but I have a lot of hair, especially because it's afro, so it was gonna take time, and he already had like a lot of clients. So he tried squeezing me in, but it didn't work, so we ended up saying Sunday because tomorrow, which is Saturday, he is also fully booked, which is Kanti. Guys, what are you guys doing at salons? Why didn't you do your hair long time ago? Guys, anyways, so Sunday I'm gonna do my hair, and the plan was tomorrow I was supposed to be going somewhere. I am supposed to be going somewhere. I have to go and shoot content for real this time because my mom fucked up. Yeah, my mom didn't do the right thing the other day when she was taking my pictures, but then yeah. So now I'm gonna go out with my friend and my best friend actually, and she's gonna take cool pictures of me, and I'm shooting for Micah's. I don't know if I told you guys, but I'll be shooting for Micah's. And then should I tell you where we're going? We are going somewhere. You guys will see on my Instagram. If you don't know the place, shh. If you know it, shh. Good for you. But anyways, yep, that is that. I should install my wig now because my friend is gonna come over today. I'll probably vlog with her when she gets here, so she says hi. Then today I'm gonna install my wig, like now. I'm not even sure which wig I'm gonna install. Yeah, I'm gonna install my wig, and then tomorrow, what's happening? Oh, and then tomorrow we go. So tomorrow it's just touch-ups, face touch-ups, because I don't really wear makeup. Yeah, we do that. We get ready. My lashes are done, so I don't need to put the strip lashes or whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys when my friend gets here. Bam. That's if the lighting will still be great. And then we'll see you again tomorrow when we get to wherever we are going. And it's Christmas. I just hope nothing bad happens because I'm scared. This time of the year, not safe. Bye guys. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is my friend. I'm gonna vlog. But then, because if you're late tonight. But anyways, we are scared of a dog, guys. It's been barking and we wanna pass. It's been barking, so we're waiting for my mom to pick us up so she's on good. But if it's still a little bit, it's still a hammer slow thing. Whoa! Bengizuzovula le gate. Into engizobaleka.
Is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. Yeah, I love you, I can't stand. And I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope your words ain't lying, cause only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah, oh yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah, yeah. It's my mind and my soul. Rest of your pride. Nigga, check your ego. I left mine at the door just because I let it slide. Drowning all of my emotions. I let you slide in this ocean. I'm in love, I can't stand. And I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your lips this time? And I hope your words ain't lying, cause no one can take it no more. I'm bound to walk out the door, woman. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman.
Imdaka. Yo. Glue, ingenzeni? Yo.
this is what you want. Can you make a promise? Yeah. So in love, I can see it in your eyes. How you shove it up about me to your guys. I made you a bed for you to sleep.
Hi guys, so today it's today Sunday then. Yeah, so today it's Sunday and we are getting ready to go out and shoot, and also just go out. Yes, to shoot. You shoot. No, you're fine. Okay. I'm gonna wear white wig. Oh yeah, it's right later. I mean, I'm waiting for mine to thingy, and then I need to concealer. I don't understand, guys. Like, do I get ready with me now? But says a banana masamul. I'm a wiki. I want to melt. Apa kala mapapa ile vlog shem ifact up izoluka khizobeka khala. Ay. Mina ngazazi shem. I am off to see my husband. I'm happy to see my husband.
Uzuyithatha until la ngenza khona leyo.
Uyahlanya.
Iyangichaza.
Hayi.
Hello guys, and you are too ugly.
Kakho surprise. Unjala gazi yazi. Wanitella. Bona mag.
Tonight, I hope in return you can stay for life. I crave your ways, it's beyond my mind. And baby, if we do it right, then it can be so good. So good. Yeah. Taking a chance to get it right. I wanna stick to it till I die. I don't see nobody else. Them niggas well, I don't wish them well. See if you can't tell. See the top end of my lips, I kiss it and I said, I made you a bed for you to sleep tonight. From the day that I saw you on a this for life, I trade the things of the world for you anytime. Cause I know we'll do it right and it's gonna be so good. So good. Taking a chance to get it right. On the side, till I die. It'll be so good. So good. Laying down all my heart for you. You is all I wanna live for.
You know, love is an incredible thing, and we don't know love like we should. We always talk about, I have unconditional love. Unconditional love is, we don't even know it. But that real love, that love that sometimes is difficult to have, that's that love. And that's the confidence building.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist.
Hi guys, so it's the next day. It's raining. So yesterday I couldn't vlog when we came back, but anyways, today we are at Carnival City with my little brother and my mother. It's raining and my wig is not melted. But anyways, catch you when I get inside.
But I'll pack my bag and I'll say shit. I got what it takes to say this. I got all the plays and I played it out like this. I wanted to say this. I want us to make it. I'll trade it all for what? But it's just I was tired of wasting time. You ain't never gonna change your mind. I'm tired of hearing all your lies. But I wanna leave you lonely, so I come crawling back. Hoping you won't like that. A change, so that I can stay. So
Yeah, the avocado grows.
What's up as avocado yako la? Hey.
Yes, I saw.
Wait, baby.
Go up.
Hey.